How do these form? I've always wondered that. Try not to get too close to this because I will drop my phone in there. Can I pick this up? And this little, what do they call these? Oh shit, it's like in the ground or under the water. I think it grows like from under the water. I tried to pull it up and it snapped, so I've always been curious about how those little things form. Well, at first I thought it was just leaves that fall from trees in the water, but that is not the case. So these actually grow from like underneath the water. That's cool. But I just want to make sure, just in case that's wrong. Give it another tug. Oh yeah, it grows from under the water, groundwater. That's cool.